The learner-approved Yamaha YZF-R3 was praised when it was updated for 2019, but for 2020 the bike is unchanged with just a new paint scheme to separate it. Given its bargain price tag though, the R3 is still a cracker of a bike. We tested the limited edition SP version, which adds MotoGP inspired graphics. That version is priced at just $7,899, just $100 more than the standard version. Underneath the seat is a 321cc parallel twin engine that loves to rev. Peak torque arrives at 9,000 revs and max power doesn't arrive until 10,750 revs. But the R3 is surprisingly quick off the line on its way to a claim top speed of 180 km an hour. The KYB fork setup works well, but the rear suspension is a little less forgiving. The bike's target market though is younger and newer riders, and they shouldn't notice or care too much. A wider fuel tank makes it easy to lock your knees in, and the clip-on style bars are 22mm lower, but this is offset by the 780mm seat height. As a result, the natural ride position is a relaxed semi-upright stance, but enthusiastic riders can adopt a racer-style crouch without any problems. Elsewhere, the bike packs a 298mm disc and twin piston caliper on the front, and a 220mm disc and a single piston caliper on the rear. It also uses Dunlop Sports Max rubber on the front and rear. The 2020 R3 is the same bike from 2019, it just looks a little different, but the affordable price tag and suitable equipment makes it the perfect choice for learners and new racers.